The flame kissed the tip of a trembling hand. I lied my sin, I understand. Each puff's a deal, each drag's a cost. Every breath reminds me of what I lost. The jukebox hums, the crowd is gone. I sit here burning till the dawn. The smoke curls slow like a ghost that sings, and I wonder what tomorrow brings. Each drag burns down what's left of me, ash to ash, that's destiny. The devil's cigarette lights my pain and whispers my name again. Bars half empty, the world feels wide. Whiskey tears I cannot hide. I talk to shadows, they talk back, in voices deep and painted black. My suit smells like regret and rain. My heart beats slow like a rusted chain. I laugh too loud to mask the cracks, but the silence always calls me back.